everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you our hotel room that we stayed in Bergamo, Italy. We started our journey in Bergamo, Italy, and I will show you the hotel that we stayed in. The name of the hotel is called Hotel San Giorgio. It is located near Bergamo train station as well as the Bergamo's airport. So I will show you, or we will show you our hotel room. So we arrived very late because our plane was late. So let's see what we can see inside. And this room is good for 3 people, 2 adults and 1 kid. He's 10 years old. So this is how it looks like. The room looks simple and clean and neat, and of course we want to check if there's an air condition, and it has an air condition. So Alexander saw the chandelier, and before that I will start to turn on the air condition because it was so warm that day. I think it was 32 degrees I think that day. So we started to turn on the air condition. So and then we will check the room. Actually love the color of the bed sheet. If you want to drink some coffee, so you have this for you can warm water, and then 3 cups and some tea, and of course in Italian. And this one is I don't know, probably coffee or creamier. It is black, so it's probably coffee. So that's the coffee table, and let's see what's inside here. Here you can put your clothes, and there's a deposit box for your money and extra pillow. Yes. And you have this phone where you can call to the reception, and this painting. Weird painting. Alexander is hiding. He's on his way to sleep. And of course there's an air condition. It's a mess. It's very hot here. And this is a very small refrigerator.
And it still has some 2 water bottles.
Yeah. And yeah, yes, water. These 2 water and cups. Water and some cups. So this is waters. The one called, I don't know, this is in Italian language, so don't know. It's natural. The one is natural water, says here. So I don't know if this one is also natural frizzante. But anyway, that's the very small refrigerator. And we'll check the toilet. Have to turn on. So this is the toilet. Very small, but it's clean actually. See, it's very clean. The floor is very clean, and the tissue and some hand towels. It's very clean. And oh, this is the toilet. They have 2 types of toilet. I think this is for old people probably, and this is clean, and hand towels, and see the water for sure. Yeah. And you can have hand wash. And this one, just hand wash, and you will get some cream, body lotion, shower cap, and cosmetic set. So you'll get this one free. Yes. Also have 2 sets and a hair dryer. And let's check the shower. It's clean, and also a hand towel here. So you also the body shower and shampoo, shower gel. So you have here shower gel. There's no shampoo, but I think you can use it as shower gel. So that was the bathroom. Second look. So I have to close it. To sum up, the hotel was fine. It was not the best, but for 2 nights is okay. So everything is close to this hotel, so it was okay for us. We are satisfied. So this is how it looks like, guys. Bye bye.